We have now set the scene, and we're moving on to pre-feasibilities and sustainable opportunities to test that. And Victoria is on.
I'm happy to be here. I'm really nervous, to be honest. Yeah, I'm like 1 year in Sweden, and for me, this is a really big event. It is written that I'm the CEO of Novavision, but today I'm Ecobarge. I'm a marketing manager in Ecobarge, but I will speak today as a first contact to the communities as Ecobarge. And I want to say that what we start to build within the feasibility and pre-feasibility, and we name it internally concept design, it means that we contact the local communities, we start to understand what is really needed, and we try to turn their dreams into the real projects. Behind, it's not only me, to be honest, and our team has more than 10 years of experience in not only in feasibility studies like consultancy and so on. We build turnkey projects, and on sites, we are really involved in construction phases as well. And here is maybe a boring slide, but I want to stop here on this project step to explain you how it's really Ecobarge implement the projects. Morten mentioned that we can use different type of business modeling, and this is about build, own, operate, transfer mode. You see, we have pre-feasibility study, then we have feasibility financing, what is interesting for investors. Then we come to feasibility stage. I will explain what is the difference, don't worry. I know that most of you know about, but still. And we go to the project financing. So you can see that we divide the financing into 2 steps. And also, Ecobarge team implement design and construction, commissioning and operation. You heard about Mehmet Kurt. He will speak more in details a lot because he has an experience in that. And then it's also, again, for investors, if it is transfer mode, the investor exit here. And what is interesting within that the local community become an owner of the project. So I promised you to explain what is my work. So we present Ecobarge to the local communities. To be honest, to explain what is the Ecobarge, this is really, really complicated, because even today I received several questions. Are you a turnkey installer? Are you like providing some operational services? No, it's not like that. That is why we come to the local people, explaining them what is the Ecobarge concept, and we involve them. We create such similar events as we have now today, and we explain and speak about, and we listen to them. That is why this is my most interesting part, because you listen to the local people, you understand what they really need. Because in Zanzibar, for example, we came, okay, so you don't have electricity and water, but finally we understood that the local people, local community, they really need fishing, cooling facilities. This was exactly the problem. Yeah, yeah. So what is the pre-feasibility and what we are doing except of the presentations? So we identify their needs, and based on this, like received information, we develop preliminary main technical and economic indicators of the project. So we calculate, we design. We also identify local partners. So we go there on site, try to speak and understand who would like to be a partner of Akubatch. Also here in Sweden, we identify potential suppliers and innovators. And we also work on business model development. Well, that Morten showed the business model we use, but for sure for each project, we understand that some adjustments can be done. And also we identify suitable project financing. What is the difference and why do we need feasibility financing in this case, and why we're really interested in bringing the investors? Because the feasibility stage provides us an opportunity not to start the construction phase and just to eliminate the hurdles for the next. So we are going more into technical details, again, together with Mehmet, And then also we do environmental impact assessment. And this is also very big, huge work. As soon as feasibility study finalized, local partners who we already identified, also investors, they make a decision on project, like is it should be realized or not, because you can see ROI, you can see technical feasibility, economic indicators, and so on. And if it is like green light, we establish a project company and together with the locals. So I think that by my presentation, I emphasized today, that was my idea, that how important the pre-feasibility and feasibility is for the project development, because we create the opportunity, we provide the opportunity to the local to speak to us and say what is really needed. So let's make a difference together. And if you have questions, I'm happy to answer.
I do have one. What is the benefit to the community?
So first of all, as I mentioned, the benefit is, to be a partner of Ecobarge, because we create the opportunity, we bring the business. They have an opportunity, because we not bring just technology. So we bring them the business opportunity to develop community. In 5 years, they can become an owner and run the business. This is the first. When we build the Ecobarge locally, we create the jobs, because we don't build only, for example, in Turkey or wherever. We try to localize production. For example, if in Somaliland you have concrete, a lot production, so we can, the floating structures, this is about the concrete, it can be steel and concrete, so we can localize the production. This is also creation of the job. And the thing is interesting, this is operation, because when you bring innovation to I'm from Belarus, if you bring a new innovation, you need to teach people how to operate the plant. So it means that the Ecobarge team, during these 5 years of operation, they teach local people how to operate, and they just provide these knowledges. I think it's really nice opportunities.
Yeah, brilliant, brilliant. Thank you so much, Victoria.